Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 and Turbo 3. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Redmi Turbo 4 comes with an IP68 rating and the Turbo 3 comes with an IP64 rating. Next, compare display features. Both two phones come with 6.67 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Redmi Turbo 4 is powered by the MediaTek chipset and the Turbo 3 comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. They offer two rear cameras, a 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultrawide, and also 20 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.